I gotta go to band practice, man. Oh man, what are you doing?
Hey,
this is why we're not getting any games,
hey, man, I need this. No, hey, it's so good now, man. Hey, I need it. No, I need it. Oh.
So basically, for people who don't know us, we're in the band group called the Old Puppy Saviors, you know. We used to be big in the 70s, but then we thought we had bigger things to do, you know. So we spent our time saving puppies around the world, you know. And nothing feels better than that, like taking a dog like this and just rubbing his tummy. Look how happy he was. But yeah, that's the time we put in. No, we didn't get banned from music or anything, but it feels good holding that puppy and know that you saved it. So we've been having some problems lately. Paul over there, Polly, has been having some drug problems. He's been doing some cocaine. Not a good sight. Also, Wookalicious, he's been drinking heavily every night. And I think I'm basically the only clean one here. So yeah, what Eats told you guys before, he actually does have a problem. It's called the Pica syndrome. Can you explain the viewers what the Pica syndrome is?
Yeah, Pica syndrome, you eat random things. When you eat things that are not food.
Yeah, he ate a frog once. We were kind of concerned when we went to like save dogs or puppies. He almost ate a puppy. That would have ended our whole career, man. Jeez.
Yeah.
He's... Don't stick him. Hey, it's Eats again. I'm here to talk to you about presidential election 2012. Alright. Sarah Palin is the best option that we have. She's smart, she's funny, and... Do you hear that? What is it?
What is it? I think she's done with this. Come on! Bag of cocaine. Come on, man! Oh! Hey, man, take it easy! Take it easy, man! I don't have nothing to do with it! You know that!
Oh, my phone's ringing. What? Guess where it is. Where? Not talking. Hello. Yeah. I was her backup dancer. She can't come in. She's 30. Yeah. Cool. Excellent. Stuff.
Yeah, so about her backup dancer, she's got a hot body and all, but it's almost like you can't understand her, like she's speaking Chinese or something.
It's been so long.
Wait, hold on.
Since I've seen you.
Hey, sing that part again.
It's been so long.
No, higher.
It's been so long.
There you go.
Since I've seen
Wait,
you.
hey, hold on. Got a call.
She got a phone call, man. It's practice.
Hello?
Practice.
Hello? No. You serious? Dude, we got the gig.
Yeah, man. Got the game. Where's he at? Yeah, baby kitten killers, you ain't got shit on us, brah. Shit's weak. Know what I'm spraying, man? Yeah. See this puppy? We saved this little nigga. You niggas ain't got nothing on us. Peace, bitches.